Hello people, welcome back. It's Nakul from Techboy and I just received a new Samsung Galaxy M30s, so let's unbox this. So here it is guys. Now before we open the box, let's take a look around the box first. On the top we have the branding and the actual image of the device. Then on the right we have a seal which says Indian SIM card only, and over here it says readme. So I'm not sure if I'm supposed to peel this, there's something written, or I'm just supposed to cut it. And on the top we have some information and a sticker from Amazon. So the variant that I opted for is the black color, 6GB RAM and 28GB storage. So I didn't opt for the 4GB variant, I opted for the 6GB variant. And on the left we have branding and the name of the device, and then we have the second seal over here from the Samsung, as you can see. And at the bottom we have the EMI stickers. At the back we have the branding, name, and again the variant that I opted, which is 128GB. Then it says 6000 mAh battery, which is one of the main highlight of this phone. 48 megapixel triple camera, super AMOLED. And then we have some specifications over here. You can pause the video if you want to read it. Then we have the Make in India logo. So I'm gonna try and peel this first. Let's see what it says. So there goes the first seal. Now let's try and peel off the second one. So I was able to peel off the first seal properly but couldn't peel off the second seal, so I'm just gonna cut it now. Here we go, and let's open the device. And here it is on the top itself. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to get it out. There are no pull tabs, so this is the only option left. And let's put it aside for now. We get the charging cable, which I'm hoping should be USB type C. And yes, it is USB type C to normal USB A. Finally, USB type C in all the new phones almost. Then we have the charger. Let's see what is the voltage of this charger. And here is all the output voltage information, so you can pause the video and read it. So I guess that's pretty much it, except we do have some documentation here. So we have the SIM ejector tool, obviously, and then we have the quick start guide, regional lock guide, warranty card, and that's pretty much it. There's nothing else, no case, nothing at all, so no fancy stuff. Pretty average unboxing experience, I would say. So let me put all this aside and then we'll turn on the device. So here is the device guys, and it turns out that it does have a pull tab, but it was pressed underneath the phone like this. So anyway, so let's open this and turn on the phone. I'm sure you want to hear this. So here you guys, so this is the color, and there is some residue left from that sticker. Hopefully you can see that. Sorry about the focus. Here we go. Anyway, so yeah, here is the phone. So let's turn it on. Here we go, Samsung Galaxy M30s. Okay guys, so the phone has started. Now before we take a look inside the phone, let's take a look around the phone first. So on the right we have the power button. Here we go. And then we have the volume rocker on the top. Nice clicky buttons. On the top we just have the secondary microphone hole. And on the left we have the SIM card tray. And there's the hole to eject it. At the bottom we have the 3.5mm jack, really glad to see it. Then we have the USB Type-C port for charging and syncing the phone. We have the main microphone, and then we have the speaker grill. At the back we have the triple camera setup, and then we have the LED flash. Then obviously we have the fingerprint scanner and some branding. And this phone is a total fingerprint magnet, as you can already see. Let me adjust the focus. Here we go. And if you are wondering the color of this device, I opted for the black one, but it is like this. As you can see, there's little hue over here. It is slightly bluish from the right and it's black from the left. So it's not that it's looking like this on the camera. If you see it in the person, it is like this only. So here we go, but it's a total fingerprint magnet. Anyways, so here it is. So first of all, let's take a look at the dialer. It's pretty large and nice size, I would say. I'm just totally loving the display because it's AMOLED, and I just love AMOLED display. It just treat to the eyes. So let's take a look at the camera app. And it's like any other typical Samsung camera app, so there are no surprises there, I guess. Rest obviously I will show you everything in the honest review video, or maybe I will make a separate camera review video for this phone. So let's go in the settings and hear the loudspeaker, obviously. So okay, ringtone. So as you just heard, that was the loudspeaker. It's decently loud, but there's only one loudspeaker. There are no stereo speakers in this phone. Rest obviously I will test it with proper songs and all, and will tell you all about it in the honest review video. And plus there's one more thing, obviously I will be giving away this phone as well after my honest review video. So if you wanna win this, make sure you do watch my honest review video, because all the details to win this phone will be in that video. So that's it for right now guys. This was the unboxing video of the new Samsung Galaxy M30s. If you have any questions about this phone, you want me to include something specifically in the honest review video, have any queries, then put it in the comments down below. You can also ask me on the Instagram or Facebook. The links will be in the description. So thank you for watching guys. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you in the next video guys.